Let's take a look at addition concepts across the grade level and how they stay the same even though the numbers change. Without numbers, purple plus yellow will equal the blue piece. With numbers, 4 plus 5 equals 9. But what if I change to decimals? The concept remains the same, but the numbers change. 4 tenths plus 5 tenths equals 9 tenths. Is it different for fractions? No. 4 tenths plus 5 tenths still equals 9 tenths. What if I don't know a number? P plus Y equals E. If P is 4 and E is 9, what will Y be? This number plus this number equals this number.